In this video, we will learn how to use air fry mode in an LG microwave oven. Air fry mode is used to cook food with a crispy, golden outer texture using negligible to no oil. First, you need an air fry accessory to use air fry mode. Next, turn on the microwave. Then choose the recipe from the owner's manual. You can access the owner manual by using the QR code, which is available on the front door. And look for the recipe code. Next, press the air fry button and then press start button to select. Next, rotate the control knob to change the recipe code. After selecting the recipe code, press the start button. Now choose the weight or quantity by rotating the control knob as per the requirement and procedure of the recipe. Finally, press the start button to activate air fry mode. Now we have learned how to use air fry mode in an LG microwave.